To use the bulk herbs to granules calculator, click Calculator on the menu bar. Give the formula a name. We will be creating Liu Wei Di Huang Tang. And add a patient name if you would like. Building a formula is easy. The search bar is conveniently located at the bottom of your screen. Click on it. Search by the pinyin or botanical name of the herb you wish to add to the formula. For example, as we start entering Shu Di Huang, the Smart Search narrows down results as you type and will quickly help you find what you are looking for. Once selected, enter the amount as prescribed in the form of bulk herbs in grams. The calculator would automatically show the equivalent amount of granules in the yellow box on the right. Repeat these steps until you have entered all herbs in the prescribed amounts. Double check the concentration ratio of the granules you are using. The default selection is mostly for our ActiveHerb single herb granules, which have the highest concentration and the lowest amount of fillers. But if you use 5:1 concentrated granules, make your selection as such. As mentioned before, the results appear in yellow boxes on the right, indicating the amount of granules in grams needed to achieve the same dosage as prescribed in the bulk formula. If you can't find the herb from our offering, you may add your own item as typed. You can easily remove an item from the list by clicking on the X next to the herb name. You may scale up the serving size by checking the box and adjusting the amount as needed. Finally, you can print or save the formula for future reference. The calculator will populate a default name based on the formula and patient name, but you can rename it to whatever you want. You can retrieve the saved list by clicking here. For an example, we can bring up Xiao Yao San. We can reuse it or modify it by adding Mudan Pi, and CZ, we can save it under a different name. Thank you for choosing ActiveHerb.